Welcome to this lesson on light and dark colors. In this video, we will explore how colors can be lighter or darker and how we describe these different shades in English. Understanding light and dark colors is an important part of learning color vocabulary. Let's begin by understanding what makes a color light or dark. Colors have different shades. A light shade is created when white is added to a color. When we add white to blue, we get light blue. A dark shade is created when black is added to a color. When we add black to blue, we get dark blue. So light shades have more white in them and dark shades have more black in them. Here we can see a spectrum of the same color, ranging from the lightest to the darkest. On the far left, we have the lightest version, called a tint. In the middle is the original color. On the far right is the darkest version, called a shade. A tint is made by adding white to the original color. A shade is made by adding black to the original color. All of these colors share the same base or original hue. Now let's look at a specific example. Light green and dark green are both green, but they look very different. Light green has white mixed in, so it appears softer and brighter. Dark green has black mixed in, so it appears deeper and richer. Even though they are different shades, they are both considered green because they share the same base color. In design and in everyday life, light and dark colors are used in specific ways. Light colors work well as backgrounds, while dark colors work well for text and important information. You can also use light colors and dark colors together to create good contrast and make things easier to read. For example, dark text on a light background is easy to read. Light and dark colors work very well together. When you combine a light color with a dark color, you create strong contrast. This contrast makes designs look more interesting and makes text easier to understand. For example, light blue paired with dark green creates a beautiful and easy-to-read combination. Remember, contrast between light and dark colors is very important in design and communication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.